Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will talk about the BITSET exam 2023. So if you are the students who are basically preparing for the BITSET exam, that is the Birla Institute of Technology Science and Admission Test exam, then this video gonna very important for you, because in this video I will give you the complete information about this exam, what is the exam pattern, what is the eligibility criteria, and how can you get good marks in BITSET exam. Okay, so make sure to watch the video guys completely. So let me talk about the video. So first, BITSET exam 2023. Okay, I think that you are very well known about that. BITSET exam is basically conducted by the BITS Pilani for getting into admission to various BITS college. That is the BITS Hyderabad, BITS Pilani, BITS Goa. Okay, so what is the exam pattern? Okay, so exam pattern. Before moving to the exam pattern, let me talk about the eligibility criteria for the BITSET 2023. So if you want to appear for the BITSET 2023, then there are some criteria. Okay, that is a separate criteria for the BTech Pharma and BTech, means for the BTech and B Pharma. Okay, so for all program except B Pharma, what is the eligibility criteria? So candidates who have passed class 12th or equivalent exam from a recognized board with physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Okay, means it is mandatory to have a three subject, that is PCM, to get into the or to get enrolled in courses other than B Pharma. Okay, now talking about the criteria, what are the marks, minimum marks that require? So minimum 75% marks in aggregate of physics, chemistry and mathematics subjects, and at least 60% score in each of these subjects individually. Means in aggregate you have to score 75%, and in each subject you have to basically get 60% marks. Okay. So 12th class appearing student can also apply into the BITSET exam. So these are the eligibility criteria for except B Pharma. For the B Pharma student, means if you want to apply for B Pharma, then what is the eligibility criteria? So applicants should pass their 12th or equivalent examination from a recognized board in physics, chemistry and biology, and should be adequately proficient in English. Means you have a basic knowledge of English. Okay. Then candidate with PCM can also apply for pharmacy courses. Means students who have a PCM as a subjects, then you can apply for B Pharma as well as BTech degree or other courses. Okay, but if you are the students having PCB, that is a physics, chemistry, biology, then you can only apply for B Pharma guys. Okay? And criteria is same, that is a 75% marks in PCM and PCB. Okay, and 60% marks in each of these subjects. Means in aggregate 75% in PCM or PCB, 60% at least in each subject. Okay, appearing candidates can also apply for BITSET 2023. I have already said. Now exam pattern, because guys, to crack any exam it is important for a student to know exam pattern. Okay, you have to know that what is the type of questions, how many questions came. Okay, so talking about the exam pattern of BITSET 2023. So BITSET 2023 will be conducted in online mode, that is the CBT, computer based mode. Okay, and candidate will get 3 hours to complete the examination. All the question will be MCQ type, and the mode of exam will be English. Only English mode will be. Okay, no Hindi, no Urdu, no Bengali and all things. Only in English BITSET is happen. Okay, and total 150 questions will be asked in the examination. There will be a total of 4 parts in the question paper. That is part A for the physics, part B for chemistry, part C for mathematics and biology. Okay, means mathematics or biology, and English proficiency and logic reasoning. Okay, so besides PCM there will be extra, that is the English proficiency and logic reasoning. Okay? So in the upcoming video I will also give you the detailed syllabus of the BITSET exam too. Okay? Just I am giving a brief intro about the exam pattern. So this is the complete exam pattern of the BITSET 2023. Means total 150 questions. You will be given 3 hour time to attempt all the question and 4 parts of the section. That is the PCM or physics, chemistry, mathematics or biology if you are taking the B Pharma, and English proficiency and logic reasoning. Okay, so that is the fourth part. Now talking about the marks wise. So what is the marks wise distribution for the all subjects? So for physics, number of question will be 20 and maximum marks will be 120. Okay. For chemistry 40 and maximum marks will be 120. Means 40 question, means each question you will get 3 marks. English proficiency plus logic reasoning, you means total marks is 25. Okay, means sorry, number of question will be 25, means 15 from English proficiency and 10 from logical reasoning, and total marks for this is 45. Means 15 into 3 40, 45 for English proficiency, and 10 into 3, that is 30 for logic reasoning. Then for from mathematics biology 45 number of questions. Okay, and maximum marks is 135, and total is question 150 and maximum marks, that is the 450. Okay, so this is the complete marks distribution for all the subjects. Okay, Now BitSet application fee. Okay, so if you want to apply for the BitSet, then you have to pay. Means for the male candidates you have to pay 2,950. For the female candidates you have to pay 2,450. Means 5,500 less. Okay, and candidates who opt exam center is Dubai. Means if you want to attempt the BitSet exam from Dubai, then you have to pay 4,500, guys. Okay, so this is the complete application fee. Okay, so guys, this is the complete detail about the BitSet examination. So make sure to support and subscribe the channel for getting such important updates about the BitSet exam or JEE Main, WVJEE, COMDEC, any engineering or pharmacy examination you want to get update. Then make sure to support my guys, because you will get these type of important video. Besides that, in this channel you will get video related coding basics of all things, syllabus and all things. Make sure to support, guys. I hope video gonna informative to you. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, share with friends so they can also get informative information about this. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.